I made you the video. See the video, please.
Hey, Sam. Hey, who am I, Sam?
Stick your tongue in
Who do
here.
I sound like, Sam?
Sam?
Hey, Sam.
Don Byers.
Who's that?
Sadistic scraps from sea areas. Look at my brother.
Hey, Sam.
Sam, this is Rob. You know them brakes you want to get fixed on your Cutlass
It's
first?
going to be $900.
It's going to be $900 for a fresh round brake
Oh,
pad.
yeah.
Just that's for just the front now.
Just
Rest of
one
them,
wheel.
we ain't going to bring you back to the oil exchange. We ain't going to be changing your oil anymore.
We'll
change the air in your tires for you.
And I lied to your mama, too.
Yeah, and we'll change the air in your tires, but we don't change the oil.
No. We need bread, Joey.
No, we're leaving.
No, we need bread, Joey.
Jesus God almighty.
Hey, Joey, get the terminal, damn it.
I hate this.
I hate this, too.
I've had it all my fucking...
Gosh.
Patience is in it totally in.
Well, mine too. Get with the program.
You know, you passed the bread like 6 times, too.
Well, why didn't you pick some up?
Because I didn't know we needed it, too.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
You're too loud, bro.
Yes, you did.
Drawing heat. You're
Joey.
drawing heat.
Some Welch's.
Man, we're not doing no good at all, man.
Quick question for y'all. For you,
Spectrum.
It's okay, bro. What is it?
Got Spectrum.
What is it?
I'm Spectrum.
We just got Spectrum, man. Literally
Yeah,
just did.
literally.
In here.
Yeah.
You too, man.
Jordan was his name.
Jordan, that was his name.
You can't make eye contact with him. That's why
No,
you
you
fucked up.
can't. You can't make eye contact with
cannot
fucking.
look him in the eye.
But don't look at him. It's just like a dog that come right to you. You know what I mean? And I'm Spectrum in Walmart. It's about a food section.
Get some bread, silly.
You get the bread. I don't know what kind you want.
This is fine.
You ready? Let me go now.
Well, I was going to get a new jelly, but guess what? There's the jelly right there. Open it.
This place is on my last nerve.
I'm not in a big hurry to get back in that fucking